the elephant ear. It's the elephant ear right there. In there.
Oh, is it?
It's white though. White.
Is it?
Yeah. They got purple. They got black. You know, all them shit.
Is that what you're planning on saying?
Yeah, as soon as I get this bitch to come up.
In the back, right?
Yeah. What, the elephant ear?
Mm-hmm.
Well, what do you want?
I don't know. I mean, you planting them out front?
What do you want?
I gotta go look.
Because I'm taking them trees up and I'm putting them
No.
back.
No. I don't want the trees to be taken.
Well,
No.
we gotta move at least 2 of them because they're too close together.
No, Dennis.
They are too close together.
Did you measure them?
They side by side. There's 4 of them. Like
But-
you could get 2.
But it
They're
was
too close. They're getting
intended
too big.
But we intended to do them like that so it can block the shade when people come
Well,
up.
when they grow out, they'll block it.
Not if you separate them.
I need to take at least 2 up. They're too close.
How far apart?
They need to be at least a foot apart.
It's not enough space right there, then. It ain't.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, if you're gonna move, it's okay how it is now.
No. What I'm saying, the plants need to be a foot apart. They too close together now, so at least 2 of them have to come up.
But okay, so no, because unless you don't plan on trimming them back, they're not.
No. I'm talking about underneath the ground. The root system is too close together. They'll kill each other.
Not those kind of plants. I'm gonna tell you, at my job, Dennis, if you go to that's all we have. They don't have any other type of.
They stack
All of them, yes.
right on top of each other.
Yes. Right next. Now they're not even a half an inch apart. They are literally right next to each other for separation.
Okay.
We use them for separation, like one side,
Like a fence.
Yeah.
As a
So
fence, yeah.
basically, how can I
I
explain?
wonder if I could
Like,
clone
you
them
have-
bitches.
Probably can, cause look, they have like one set of. They have an entrance to A building here, and then like right next to it is B building. So what they did was to have a little bit of separation to make different
They put
entrance
those
ways.
up.
They lined the
Okay.
trees all the way up, and I mean they are like this, Dennis. Look, Dennis. They are this much apart.
Stack.
Mhm.
Okay. All right.
And it's cool because you can't see on the other side. I mean, you literally can't see on the other side. So y'all, the dryer is going in the background. First of all, this cream, I've never tried this one before, the cinnamon roll. So let's see what this is giving. I was almost tempted to put some of this syrup in it, but I was like, let me try the cream first, because the cream just might be good by itself. But this is the skinny syrup and French toast. I might ride to Marshall's today because this is literally all I have left. And I need more syrup, y'all. Like, I have to have the syrup with my coffee. I'm not going to use any like right now because I want to see what this cream is giving. But I have to have my syrup, my skinny syrup, especially for my iced coffee. So I might run to I might run to Marshall's. So I don't think they open up until 10. So we'll see. But let's see what this is giving, y'all. Ooh, that's so good. That's really good. Wow, it tastes like a, let me see. Tastes like a pancake. It really does. It tastes like a pancake. But my coffee isn't hot enough. So, let me eat my coffee. Y'all, it is so crazy. Listen, hubby and I, we be going back and forth, y'all, in regards to how we want the yard to look. Our vision is different. Like, and he, don't get me wrong, like, he come up with some good ideas for the yard, because normally that's his thing. So he comes up with like really great like ideas for the yard and how to design and everything like that. But me, and I'm not too like, I don't have a green thumb at all, but I just know what I like, right? I definitely know what I like, and I know how I want the front to look. The back needs to be a vibe as well, but I'm not really too, I don't want to say concerned, but because I am concerned about my front yard and my backyard. However, the front yard is the first thing that people see, obviously, when they pull up to your home. Curbside appearance, and so I want the front yard to be a vibe. I want it to look really good. I want this landscape to look great. I want the grass to look good, like in the front and back, but definitely the front. Y'all know what I'm saying. Like, I want like the curbside appeal. I want the front to look like banging. So he right now we have some evergreen trees up. And the evergreen trees is kind of like on the side of our home, and I kind of wanted those trees there because eventually they will get big. And if you guys have been following me, Dennis and I brought those trees about 2 years ago, and they're growing slowly but surely. So though they are the type of trees that will eventually grow out, okay, they will grow out and they will grow tall, so we will have to keep them trimmed back. But I wanted those trees there because I just wanted kind of like when people pull up into my driveway, I don't want them to be able to directly see over my fence, if that makes sense. I can't explain like what I'm saying. Maybe I can show you guys later. But I want those trees to kind of like block the entrance to my backyard, to my fence to get in, because only Dennis and I will come in through the fence on this side, okay, of the house. And we do have an entrance to our backyard on the other side, and normally if we have company, that's where everyone is going to park. We're going to require them to like park on the side of our home and then come in through the back versus this way, if I'm making sense. And so I kind of wanted those trees there to kind of block that entrance, if I'm making it. So hopefully y'all can get what I'm saying, and maybe I can show y'all. If y'all have been following me for a while, y'all have seen my little baby trees out there, and they're growing and growing. So I say all of that to say that Dennis is actually wanting to spread the trees apart or either move them. He wants to spread them like an inch apart or either move them, and I don't want him to do that because of what I just told you guys. Like, I need those trees to be right there for a purpose. They look really pretty, but they're also going to serve a purpose. So I don't care what he really does to like the flower bed in the front, and then the one that's on the partial side, like, because the trees are this way, and then we have a little flower bed that's going this way, and then we have a flower bed like right in front of the porch. So, and then we have bushes in the front, like by the front door. So honestly, I don't really care what he does to the flower bed on the side and the one in the front. I just don't want him to mess with my trees, okay? Period. So I like them right there. So we just had a little debate, and yeah, so after I explained to him why I kind of like wanted it there and how it's going to look, you know, he was like, okay, yeah, we'll keep it there. And those are the same trees. I know how it's going to look because at my job we have those same type of, I guess they're called evergreen trees, and they're stacked like literally right beside each other, and they have several, and it looks really good. So yeah, that's that, y'all. He let me tell you, I have not even like, so y'all, Dennis is doing so much. Like, he's getting the yard together. He brought some elephant ears, and he's trying to decide on whether he wants to put those in the front or the back, or we may do like a mixture in the front and back. So we're trying to debate on that, because you know they get huge, so I don't want them to be like, they need to be in a space where they can kind of flourish. So I'm kind of thinking the front yard, like right in the front. And then we also have, and then y'all, we also have some flowers out there that comes back annually, and I can't think of the name of those, but he actually pulled one up to root it, and it's right here. I'll have to show y'all later. So that's what he's working on with this. Just trying to get the yard together, y'all. I want to make the house look really pretty for the spring. So yeah, working on that, and once he's done, I'll show you all. He put some mulch down yesterday, and once he gets halfway done, I will show y'all. He laid mulch down on yesterday. It looks really good. It always looks good when you do like fresh mulch. So that looks really good. I showed y'all the tent in the other vlog. He also has some plants started outside of the tent, like around the tent. So yeah, we've done that. Oh y'all, and we're also growing vegetables. He has some, currently Dennis is growing, I think, tomatoes. He's gonna start on the cucumber. We have string beans. Is it lettuce? I think kale. I'm not sure. I think lettuce, but I'm not sure. But yeah, y'all. He's doing it. He is really doing it. I'm just so grateful to have my husband. But anywho, let me head back up here, y'all, so I can finish up this work, so I can get my day started. Y'all, I still have my eyeliner on from yesterday. I could not get all of the eyeliner off, so I still have it on. But I'm gonna take me a shower in a minute. All right, y'all, so let me get back to work. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little break real quick from payroll.
And this is the cloning gel, right? This is the cloning gel.
Oh, tell the people what you're doing.
I'm getting ready to try to clone these flowers off of the flowers we already have. And you just take a couple of clippings and you cut this on the diagonal. Make a diagonal cut. So you see how the root is open now. Mm-hmm. And you just stick it in the cloning gel and leave it in there.
For how long?
About 20 seconds, 25 seconds. It don't matter. Then what you're gonna do after you do that, already put the water in here in the bottom. See, this tray comes out. Mm-hmm. And there's water down there.
Okay. Bless you, baby.
You just punch a little hole right here. Mm-hmm. Just like that. I'm gonna leave it in there for about 10 more seconds, and I'm gonna pull it out and dump it in that hole right there. And backfill it. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna give it a shot. See what happens.
So pretty, you guys.
I've never tried to clone a flower before. Well, I have, but different kind of flower. And then I'm about to put tomatoes in some bigger cups. All right, so I think the gel is on there. Take this bad boy, stick it in there, and backfill it. And it should take about a week. And I'm gonna do all of these, and after I finish that, what you do, it has to stay humid. So this top goes on it after you finish everything, and make sure the vents are closed, so it gives it a humid environment. That's that. See, I'm gonna take this bad boy. I'm gonna cut this one off. Diagonal cut. Stick it in the cloning gel and let it get in there. And I'm about to put those in cups. Because I put a seed in every one of the pockets. But only 4 came out, so I'm good with that though.
throwback classics, girl. I be at work jamming. I don't be knowing what's going on around me, honey. I be at my desk doing my work and I be jamming, girl. I be having a whole party in my ear. That should be so funny. And then somebody come to my door be like, Kiki, I be like, huh? Girl, I be jamming, child. But look, Dennis brought me some new, a new Bluetooth, y'all. I hope I didn't leave it. I have one in my ear, but I hope I didn't leave the case at home. But girl, oh yeah, here it is. Y'all, it's a really nice one too. And I'm gonna try my best to keep up with it. Let's see, check in with me next month and we'll see if I still have it. But here's what the case looks like, y'all. It's really nice. Look at this, y'all, it is so nice. It's digital, so you can actually see how much charge you have. And you actually charge the Bluetooth from the case, okay? And the charging port is like right here. And let me take one out. Y'all can see that it's digital. It's real nice, y'all. This is really nice. I'm gonna take good care of this, I promise. I'm not gonna lose these. I keep them in my purse. So whenever I take one out of my, and I think the reason why I lose them is because at work I have a habit, like if I'm walking on the unit and I have my Bluetooth in my ear, and which I have to because I get so many calls a day. So I have to keep my Bluetooth in my ear because I don't want to be walking through the building, you know, with my phone, you know, like this on speakerphone. That is so unprofessional. So I'd rather have my Bluetooth in. So I have to keep it for work purposes, right? So what I do is, like if I'm going to the unit and I really need to talk to somebody and hear what they're talking about, I take my Bluetooth out of my ear and I normally sit it down. And that's how I end up losing it or leaving it. Y'all, I'm gonna take better care of this Bluetooth and I'm gonna keep up with it because these are really, really nice. The sound quality is amazing. And I don't wear both, y'all, because if I wore both, I wouldn't be able to hear anything. Like the sound quality is so crisp and so loud. Like even if I have these on and I'm playing music really, really loud and someone's standing beside me, oh, they can hear it. They can hear exactly what I'm listening to. So yeah, but these are really nice, y'all. He got them from Amazon. If y'all are looking for a really nice quality, inexpensive Bluetooth set, let me know and I'll link these. I'll only link them though if you want me to. And they zip up, girl, and the case is real nice and they just fit right in my purse. And I just keep them right here in my purse, girl. But anywho, I'm almost at work. Let me jam, y'all. Let me finish.